Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. Today we have stage 18 of Build the Mallard. And yes, that means it is Monday again. But without further ado, let's get building. Right, so we've got the roof panel here that we had in issue 16. I've also grabbed over the sprue from 16 as well, because I've just taken out this piece here, which is this one here. So we need this part from issue 16 as well. And then the rest of the parts here are from issue 18. We're not going to be using this piece here. So this one here we're not going to be using. So I have just labeled that E157. That's the part number. And I'm just going to place that back into the wrapper that's got issue 18 marked on it. Likewise with the other parts that are left over from issue 16, we're not going to be using those this time around, I don't believe. So both of those will go to one side and stay safe. And the first part we're going to be needing are these two. Now we need to bend these to a curve that matches this curve here. And probably the easiest way to do it is just use a hammer. So just putting a bit of pressure on this to bend it, and just test fitting it into this gap here. We do have a recess all around here. So it's a case of trying to get it so it fits in that recess nicely. And just checking it against this part. It looks like we need to do a bit more bending. Just try and get that to fit nicely. Right, that doesn't seem too bad to me. And just checking it fits in here. Doesn't quite, so maybe we need to shape this out a little bit better. It would have been a good idea if they'd given us this piece when we were trying to shape the cab roof to the engine. Right, after a little bit of fiddling and faffing, I've managed to get this into a reasonable shape that will fit within that recess, like so, and the same with this one here. So both of those are going to go just like that, and we're going to glue it just around the edge and hold that in place. And we are gluing it from this top side into this recess that you can see just here. So that's looking just like that. And then what we need to do is we need to take this piece from issue 16 and we're going to be placing that just in here, right where that joint is. And again, just going to glue that in place. Next thing we need to do is we need to put in the roof hatches. We've got two of these and they look just like that. And they do have a tiny little bit of detail on there, which is a little rivet, I guess. And we're going to be placing those in here so that the rivet is facing towards the rear of the engine. But we do need to bend them first. I'm just going to use my file for that. And again, just rock it gently, just so we don't get too much of a curve. But also we do need to match what we've got on the cab roof already. And that's just going to go there. Now we can have these in an open or closed position. Obviously that's going to be down to personal preference. And I think I am going to have these closed. And I think I'm going to have them fully closed, like so. So I'm just going to put a bit of glue on that. But we do also have this little bracket. Now it does have some etched detail underneath, so that's going to go that way around. And just try and shape it. Now all of this will get glued into place, but best thing to do for something like this is to just do a little bit of a dry fit. Make sure everything sort of lines up as you want it to. So this could do a bit more of a bend. And spread these little fingers out a little bit. And that'll sit just over the top, like so. I'm happy with that. So I will just put a dab of glue onto the back of these vents. That'll be just enough to hold it in place. And same with the other one. So they're tacked into place. And then I'm going to place this over the top. Now I've seen roughly where it needs to go, I'll just put a tack of glue just on the edges here and along the end here. So that is it, and that is all there is to do in that stage. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please remember giving me a big thumbs up. So we've added a little bit more detail to the cab roof. It's certainly taking shape. It would have been nice to have had some of those parts maybe when we had the cab roof, certainly considering we had to shape it to the cab roof. But made it fit. It was a bit of a fiddle, but did make it fit. So that's all good. Hopefully when it comes to actually adding it to the engine, it will also fit, but we will see. Next week, I believe we are doing more to the chassis. So if you want to make sure you see that, do make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that bell, and then you'll be notified when I release a new video. Until next time, I'll see you around. Cheers.